How to add a signature to a Word document. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your document in Word, then click on Insert at the top. After you've clicked on Insert, you'll find all these options. Click on Pictures. In Pictures, click on this device. Make sure your signature's picture is in this device. Select the signature and press on Insert at the bottom. After that, you'll find it in this way. Then click on Crop at the top right corner of your screen. And crop the image closer to the sign. Then press on Enter. After that, click on the image. Then at the top, you'll find Color. Click on Color. Click on Black and White. And as you can see, background has been removed and you're good to go. You can also right click on the picture and you'll find these options. Click on Save as Picture and save this image as picture. If you save this as picture, if you need any signature, you can simply add this picture. You won't have to do any other methods like cropping and adding color. This is how to add a signature to a Word document. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.